Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to see download history on Play Store. And now let's dive right in. Now to see your Google Play Store download history, first open up your Google Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And this kind of interface will appear where you can see the manage apps and device option available for us just above notifications and offers. Tap on manage apps and devices and you land on this interface where you can see the manage option available for us at the top of the screen just beside the overview. Tap on the manage and over here, guys, you can see options available where it says this device updates available, games and archive. On the current section, we are on this device and all of your downloaded apps on your phone will be over here. And by this way, guys, you will be able to see your download history on Google Play Store. But if you have uninstalled some apps from your phone, guys, tap on this device button at the top of the screen just below the manage over here. Tap on not installed and tap on this button where it says name and it is sorted by name. Tap on that button where it says name and tap on recently updated. You'll be able to find some of your uninstalled apps over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to see download history on Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.